Okay, so this is how the bathroom started. It's just really old. It needs an update. My grandfather put in all the tiles himself by hand, so we're keeping the beach theme because we're not going to redo any of that or take away his work. But it needed new paint, new floors, just it needed to liven up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. So we got some inspiration. We were trying to keep on like a driftwood or like a sandy color, beach tones. So this was a lot of our inspiration that we used to kind of stay on track with what we were doing. So we ended up going to Lowe's. So we got some two different paints, one lighter, one darker, kind of like in that first picture. Then we got gold hinges. That was the lighter paint, the darker paint. We got some caulk. So then I found this sand color looking paint test thing. So I used it to kind of compare to the flooring so we could find out what we wanted. And we chose this one because it looked like beach water. So this was all the stuff we got. We ended up getting quite a bunch of stuff. We got the paint stuff, a ceiling fan cover, grout, the floor register, which you didn't see, but it needs that. So this was my little inspiration I made on PixArt just to kind of like piece together all our ideas, putting the floor next to everything. So what I had to do was empty out, clean out the bathroom, put everything else in a separate room, which we ended up getting rid of a lot of that stuff. We put a fresh coat of paint on the ceiling, which I wish I would have got better before picture, but trust me, it needed it. Our next step was that we have to fill in each of these tile lines with grout. Do you see how many tile lines are in this bathroom? It's nothing but tiles. All the walls are tiles, top to bottom. This was going to take forever, which it did. This little section right here took me almost an hour because I was trying to be so precise, which I ended up doing this method where I would just fill it in each line and then I would go over it and wipe it. And it honestly got to the point where I was just filling it in and it looked smooth. So after we got like all of that done, actually my mom finished it. I didn't finish it, but that was a lot of work. So we started painting. And so we painted these whole things, the dark brown first. Oh, I forgot about that motherfucker. God damn, he was scary. Anyways, and then also I got really sidetracked. I started not working on the project at all. I started working on my TP and a lot of other outside projects. So, but look at it. And you'll see more of that later. And it's pretty cool. And I'm really proud of it. And it looks way better now, but whatever. So then we went out back to Lowe's, got the flooring that we needed. I went ahead and laid it out. I tried like a few different patterns and none of them just striked me as like good. So then we ended up with this like back and forth pattern. So I started laying it down, which was killer. Oh my God, I ended up with so many blisters trying to use those scissors. Do not use scissors. Don't. Get an X-Acto knife. The only thing is I forgot that when I cut that one, it was going to shift it upwards. So now it doesn't line up. But this is the before and the afters. I'm proud of it. We ended up not using those shelves at all. So I should probably just take that out of the video. But whatever. I'm not good. I'm too lazy. So the window, we ended up opening up, getting rid of the plastic that was on top of it, recaulking the whole outside, getting rid of those blinds because they were dirty and dusty and they just needed to go. And so we got rid of the plastic, like I said. So now we utilize that window. And oh my God, if you've never taken a hot shower while cold air is just like blowing in, I highly suggest it. Just bust a hole through your wall, get a window. So that's the flooring. I'm really proud of it, even though it didn't line up exactly how I needed it to. I think I did a really good job on the like toilet part. So this is the whole after. It looks great. Bathroom looks more open. We ended up putting some command strips. You'll see them in a second. Just to make up for that storage that we lost when we got rid of everything out of the drawers. We just found out like we didn't need any of that stuff. And we ended up getting a shower rack to put all our like shampoos and body wash. So we just really didn't need that anymore, and it took up so much space. So we ended up liking, during the process of doing the bathroom, how open it was. So we just wanted to keep it that way. So yeah, we've got the towel hanging up on a command strip. And then we've got two more over here for just like towels when taking a shower. We still haven't gotten that in all the way, but we can't, so... So that was the bathroom tour. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out my last two videos because I'm starting back up, and this time I'm actually gonna stay because I'm mentally stable. Get it? Stable? I'm stayable. Staying on YouTube. And I'm about to upload another video of this motherfucking glow up beach. No, I'm playing. I want to touch base with you guys about my life. Also, if you're done with the bathrooms thing, you can just like leave now. We're done. We're done talking about the bathroom. Yeah, I'm really excited to involve y'all with my life now because I'm proud of my life now. I don't feel like a bum or a loser or a piece of shit or like anything that I'm not proud to show. I'm really excited to show everyone everything I've done everywhere, not just house projects, but that too. How about the car that just pulled up with my boyfriend in it? But I want to show y'all that shit. But anyways, let's go, because I get nervous editing in front of people. I was waiting so he was gone.